Charlie is an engineer and works for a reputed system integration company. His company uses Honeywell Morley IAS fire systems to provide best-in-class fire detection to its customers. And Charlie's job includes configuring these systems before handing it over to the client. But Charlie wishes the job was simpler than it typically is. In any building, fire alarm systems are a complex web of devices, detectors, sounders, and loops. Clubbing them together, assigning zones and logics, and then making sure they are connected to the mainframe of the building's safety system via fire alarm panels is a laborious task. In a conventional manner, Charlie would have to carry a heavy laptop to site, connect it to the panel using a cable to download panel's data into the configuration software. Or just do it on the panel itself using the keypad available there. The data provides information about the devices and the loops that are connected to the fire panel. He would then have to return to his desk, assign zones and location description to all devices, and then revisit site to upload this data to the panel. But wait, this isn't as easy as it sounds. Generally, these panels are in the most inaccessible, dark corners of a building, which makes it next to impossible for anyone to work with ease with the systems. Sometimes there isn't even a desk to place the laptop on. Secondly, it would take a technical expert like Charlie to get the job done. John, who assists Charlie, would take a lot more time to perform a similar task. Furthermore, the keypad and display on fire alarm panel are too small to read and navigate with ease, thus requiring more time to be spent at site. This is the story of one panel. Now imagine Charlie dealing with multiple panels at a single site. Not a pleasant story, right? But now there is a way to make commissioning smart, simple, and secure. Presenting Honeywell Morley IAS Smart Config. Smart Config is a mobile application that helps you easily configure and commission Honeywell Morley IAS DXC fire alarm panels. It wirelessly connects to the panel using a Bluetooth, and its simple and intuitive interface reduces dependency on training and technical support to configure the fire alarm panel. But the real value this app adds to a system integrator's life is the freedom of doing most of the panel configuration work offline. This means that one can create a configuration file from the comfort of his office while sipping on a cup of coffee without even connecting with it. A landing page shows the added panels. If there are none, one can begin with a new panel. After filling in details like the project name, type, panel name, location, loops, the panel is ready to be initiated. One can begin by choosing the number of the sensors and modules inside a loop. Can change the labels and types of each sensor and module accordingly. For example, an optical smoke sensor can be changed to a heat sensor. And similarly, the modules can be changed to a sounder or an output module with a customized label. One can now automatically assign zones and assign logics to the devices. With every step, the amount of time, effort, and resources invested into commissioning a fire panel is optimized. Simplification of workflows to eliminate errors and duplication improves efficiency and productivity levels. And remodify the configuration if the need arises. After the completion of the offline configuration, it is time to connect to the panel and sync the data. All this can be done while being seated comfortably at the site due to the wireless Bluetooth connectivity. What if the data entered in the app is different from the panel retrieved data? In this scenario, the app quickly flashes a notification with details of the mismatched data. Here, one can choose to retain the correct information whether from the panel or the app. A simple tap on the sink and the fire alarm system is online. Charlie's life is no longer the same. He now spends at least 50% less time and effort in commissioning a site. He can now commission multiple sites in the same time, earlier spent at one location. As his app supports multiple projects, he can manage multiple client sites with ease. In fact, having the app enables Charlie to assign John to commission and reducing the dependency on technical support by simply sharing the configuration files via the app, enhancing team efficiency and productivity levels. Win-win for everyone. Smart, simple, secure. Smart Config, a smart app for smart system integrators.